Children in the United States of America have slowly started returning to school. But instead of worrying about coronavirus, most parents are sending their children with an air quality monitor. These parents are sneaking in these monitors to see how bad the air quality is in different parts of the school. Many parents are using this data to pressure schools to act on bad quality air, with one parent even suggesting that children should be allowed to eat outdoors where the air quality is better. It is a good thing that parents are taking an active role in ensuring a safe and clean environment for their children. We hope to see the schools take their findings seriously to ensure the best possible experience for school students.
The Southwestern Railways have utilized the idle AC coaches to transport chocolates and other foods which require lower temperatures from Goa to Delhi. The company that paid for this consignment is AVG Logistics, and the train covered a distance of 2,115 kilometers, with the railways getting a revenue of 12.83 lakhs. This is a great adaptation by the railways to utilize the trains during a time when people are hesitant to use this mode of transport due to the coronavirus epidemic.
The word of the week is wordsmith, which means one who is expert in the use of words. Sana is such a wordsmith. She makes simple situations sound special. Riddle of the week is what gets bigger when more is taken from it? It's a hole.
Can you guess who? This Japanese tennis player was the first Asian to hold the world #1 title. She is a 4 times Grand Slam singles champion in addition to being US Open and Australian Open champion. She was in the Times list of 100 most influential people of 2019 and 2020. And that's not all. She is also the Laureus World Sportswoman 2021. Put your hands together for Naomi Osaka. Did you know that by lighting the Tokyo Olympic 2020 cauldron, Osaka became the first tennis player to do so?
Did you know that using salt and pepper to flavor food could prove to be hazardous in space? As normal as it sounds on Earth, seasoning food in space is a troublesome task for astronauts due to zero gravity. Everything is practically floating, so it can contaminate the surrounding environment. So, they have to liquefy spices and then inject them in their dishes, which are also available in small packets.
Quiz time! Which pepper plant's seeds will be sent to the International Space Station in the CRS-22 mission for testing their growth under conditions of microgravity? Send your answers to contact us at igrass.com. Answer to the last week's quiz. The Divye Babe flute was discovered in 1995. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Riya Tayal of Venkateshwar Global School, Delhi, for successfully participating in the weekly quiz on India's leading news capsule for tweens. iGrass.
Dear iGraspers, this week let us ride to an orphanage which is anything but peculiar. The story starts when a family tragedy sends 16-year-old Jacob to a secluded island off the coast of Wales, where he discovers the decaying ruins of Miss Peregrine's home for peculiar children. As Jacob investigates the abandoned bedrooms and corridors, it becomes obvious that the children were more than peculiar. Read this thriller and spine-chilling novel by Ransom Riggs and drop in your views at igrasp.com/iClub.